Nizamila binti Muhammad Zamri, and my role in this meeting is secretary.
Assalamualaikum. My name Auni binti Abdurrahman. My role is treasurer.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nafana binti Muhammad Saleh. IS Engineer of Soil Investigation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Daniel Makim. I am band surveyor for this company.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia Sarah binti Sulaiman and I am engineer for soil investigation.
Good morning, guys. Are you guys sitting yet? Are you guys sitting yet?
Don't have time for that.
Really?
Our secretary is too busy.
2, 3. That's lunch.
Oh, really?
No!
Oh my god, yeah.
She is too busy. She is too busy.
Okay, sit down, please.
This is the meeting.
Oh. Thank you, Miss Secretary.
Thank you.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and very good morning to all of you. So guys, alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Thank you, bro.
I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. And the reason why we gather today is we want to make our discussion about client requests. Okay, Secretary, is everyone present for the meeting today?
Yes, the attendance is fully occupied and everyone is present. We will now get down to business. By the way, sir, I just met an Australian businessman named Chris just 3 weeks ago, and after he shared his professional background, he want to hire us as contractor to do site investigation and also build the foundation for his major project, the construction of shopping center.
Well, it's a great idea, Miss Secretary. This will give us a big opportunity for expand our business company worldwide. By the way, can you tell me how much did he offer for this project?
Yeah, sure. He offered our company 1 million ringgit Malaysia, including our commission.
Nice. Okay, thank you for your compliment. I think we shall get the opportunity. Secretary, will you read the previous meeting before we continue with our special business?
Okay, so I just give you guys the minute meeting for our last meeting. So for our last meeting, we did a housing project in Selangor. We wrapped up the housing project on 6 September, and the discussion that we did is everyone participate on the project, giving their opinions and improvement that they should make from the project. And also, we make a team dinner on night to celebrate the successful project. Also, you give 2 weeks holiday for the team members and also give bonus to those who participate on the project.
Okay, thank you, Secretary, for the update on our last meeting discussion. Now we will continue with the update from the treasurer about how much our company has spent from the last meeting.
Assalamualaikum. I want to share the receipts. This financial report company expense totally we use 5,245,000 and remaining amount totally we have under 1 million. Under 1 million. That's all.
Alright, thank you Jason for the update. So I would like to Secretary to take this on record please.
Yes, I will put this on record.
Now let's begin into our special business. In your opinion, what is the preparation that we should do before starting this project?
I think we should start with surveying the site that will be done by our surveyor, Mr. Daniel. So what type of survey that we should do, Mr. Daniel?
Okay, first of all, I will make a survey on traverse using our satellite survey to make my work easy lah. So because use this satellite will give us accurate coordinate for this project. So that's all.
Don't have any method?
I will prefer 17 for this survey because this project is almost 500 acre. So basically we only have one team. There's a 5%. It's not good. So I think we can hire from another company to contribute for our project.
Oh, yeah, great idea. Anything else?
After getting a date from the secretary, Mr. Daniel and Ms. Fahana and I will go to the site and find out more about the condition of the site and investigate the soil condition of the site. So I think Ms. Fahana, you should give
Some
some
opinion.
detail. Some opinion.
Yes, sure. I will prepare our team along with the equipment and document needed. And if you guys if anything you guys need, just tell me and I will prepare it.
That our equipment is in good condition?
Yes, in good condition. I will prepare everything.
By the way, I want to ask, how much is estimate cost or equipment needed for this project?
Okay, based on our budget, the estimate production for the cost of equipment, accommodation and so on is around 500 ringgit. But it's okay if you want more specific information, you can refer me after this meeting.
Okay, thank you for that. Then I will prepare the budget for that and I will see you after this meeting.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for everyone for the amazing cooperation in this meeting. Before we end this meeting for today, what is the date what is the ideal date to we visit the site, Mr. Secretary?
I think in the near future, I will check everyone's schedule first and inform about it later.
Okay, I think that's all for today. I will see you the next meeting. We will be on 3rd November. Thank you. Thank you.
Where is our chairman? It's getting late.
I think he is on the way.
Yeah,
You know,
just wait.
Or he need to move.
I guess so.
Behave your word.
Morning, sir.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Are you fine?
I am fine. I am good. Thank you.
By the way, sir, are you feeling well? Because I heard you get high temperature yesterday.
39.
Oh,
Quite high.
Very
Are you
high.
okay?
Oh my god.
Do you need
no, I have
like
observation in Egypt.
Huh?
Last week I had observation in Egypt.
Oh, that's why you get the fever.
I see.
I think you need some rest.
What did you bought us?
Anything?
For us?
Oh,
Any souvenir?
in lunch I can.
Okay.
I will give you all.
Okay, we wait for you.
No. Let's be focused. Alright. Assalamualaikum and very good morning, everyone. So our team. So our team going today. The main goal to this meeting to share information about the past, about the project site as well as any issue that need to be made clear in today. Before we start, is everyone present? Secretary?
Yes, everyone seems to be here already, and I think we can continue with our meeting today.
Okay, sure. But please read the past meeting before we start.
Okay, so for the first meeting, we did a discussion about our new project, which is a new shopping complex, and which is we held on 1st October. And the discussion that we did is I told about the project offer that we get from Mr. Grace, and we accept the offer. Also, Treasurer present about the remaining money left from last project, and surveyor and engineers giving their opinions about the project preparation, and also our site visit to survey and make a land improvement last week.
That's all. Alright, thank you for this for the update. So, is there any problem? The site during the site lesson?
So yeah, there's some kind of problem for that soil for our site. I will present you our slide about this site survey. This is the coordinate for the location that we occurred on the slide. I just open it. Small hints in this location is increase the cost of leveling the land. So that is our first problem. The cost for leveling this land for sub-infrastructure. And I noticed there is some large stone also present here. The way I know, according to my observation, if you find the tree with the location, the trunk will have the white mark, suggesting there is a large stone buried in the ground neatly. So I hope Treasurer can give can divide the cost for our leveling the soil.
Before this, I want to ask Miss Alisara, any problem for the site?
The first problem on the site that was identified is the site was filled with the pit soil. Pit soil is a soil that contains organic material that are mostly from plant materials. So the pit soil have low strength, high compressibility and high water content, and it is unsuitable to use for the construction site.
Right. And Miss Farman, do you have a problem?
Okay, for solve this problem is and after I made some research and paperwork, I found two ways to fix the soil problem, which are nutritive mixture should be prepared to study the effect on the property of pit soil. The first one consists of clay, diatomite, calcium carbonate, lime and water. Meanwhile, the second mixture has the same ingredient as the first one, except the clay diatomite is replaced with cement. So I think it's the best idea to solve. How about your opinion?
I think it's a good job for you. Thank you for the opinion. So, yeah.
The second problem is because the site is a pit soil, so we need to predict the settlement for the soil at that area. This is because the fact that when a basic load is applied on the site, settlement will take place and can cause a building to crack or collapse.
Okay, for this problem I think the suitable method for this is vibro compaction. This method is used to increase bearing capacity and reduce foundation settlement, and is most effective in free draining granular soil below the groundwater table. How about the opinion?
problem is the issue with expensive soil. Expensive soil are soil property that expand or contract depend on how wet or dry the soil is. The movement, if it's too extreme, it can cause a serious problem like settlement, so it can make the building collapse or crack.
Okay, in my opinion, the suitable method for this problem is surcharging method. This method place soil fill on site to pre-consolidate existing soil prior to construction. It can improve soil VI, compression that able to increase stiffness and shear strength. Preloading is the best suit for soft, fine-grained soil that will experience excessive settlement under a structure. So that's all from me and Miss Alisana.
Yes.
How about the budget, Treasure?
About the issue, I calculate the cost for everything that in our budget. From the budget that we get is 1 million. So duration of this project is 2 years and a half. For the date there, 6 September 2022 until 6 September 2024. The floor budget, we receive 1 million from our client. So cost for the first progress is 80 million. The second progress is 20 million. And the final progress, we spend for 20 million. So the balance is 86 million. That's all.
So, what our commission? What about commission?
For commission, I think from our balance we get 500
500?
million.
500
Million? Are you sure?
Are you sure?
No. 5 million. 500 million. From our balance.
500 million.
Yeah.
So that's good for us.
By the way, Treasurer, not to mention the cost of tool and the employees that we hire for the another company, did they all get their pay? Because they made every effort for complete this survey.
Yes. They already get their pay for that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Thank you everyone for the information. I would like Secretary to take this on record, please. Before we end our meeting, can you brief about my schedule?
Yes. According to my notes, you will have a very hectic schedule for this week. You have a client meeting with Mr. Felix for new housing project in Johor Bahru, and you will also need to meet Mr. Sam about the new update of the machinery and tools for our company. But for now, on the next week, you will only have one client meeting and free for the rest of the week.
Alright, that's all. Alright, please arrange a meeting for me with Mr. Chris on next.
Okay, alright. I will fill down the schedule for you.
Alright, I think that's all for today. We wrap our meeting for today, and I see you guys on our next meeting, and that will be scheduled later. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Alright,
Thank you.
Lisa.
Can you give us a bit? Yes.
Drinks.
Just before we say.
Treat us lunch.
Sir.
Wait. What?
Congratulations for your project.
No.
Thank you. And to you all too.
Don't, please pay me a lot and thank you.
I'm so busy. So goodbye.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chris from Astro. Our project is to build a shopping complex and cost about around 1 million. So I want you to perform well.